Tired of sneaky fees eating away at your hard-earned money, especially when you're trying to be smart about your spending? Ever wonder if there's a way to truly optimize your financial apps to work for you, not against you, when it comes to those little charges that add up? If you're nodding your head, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Acorns Spend, a powerful tool designed to help you manage your money, but one that, like any financial product, comes with its own set of potential fees. The good news? With a little knowledge and a few strategic moves, you can absolutely minimize, and in many cases, outright avoid those fees, making Acorns Spend an even more effective part of your financial toolkit. We all know the feeling. You sign up for a service, thinking you're getting a great deal, only to find a labyrinth of fine print and hidden charges. Acorns, with its mission to help people invest and save, has done a remarkable job of simplifying finance. Their Acorns Spend account, in particular, offers a checking account and debit card that integrates seamlessly with your investing. It's designed to round up your purchases, automatically investing the spare change, and it offers direct deposit capabilities, early payday options, and even some ATM fee reimbursements. On the surface, it sounds fantastic, right? And it is. But like any financial product, there are nuances. Understanding these nuances is key to truly leveraging Acorns Spend to its full potential without incurring unnecessary costs. So, let's break it down. What exactly are the fees associated with Acorns Spend that we need to be aware of? And more importantly, what actionable steps can you take right now to ensure you're not paying a dime more than you have to? We're going to cover everything from understanding the monthly subscription model to navigating ATM fees, avoiding overdrafts, and making smart choices about your linked accounts. This isn't just about avoiding charges, it's about maximizing your financial efficiency and keeping more of your money where it belongs, in your pocket, or better yet, invested for your future. Let's start with the most fundamental aspect, the Acorns subscription itself. Acorns operates on a tiered subscription model. While Acorns Spend is part of a larger ecosystem that includes investing, retirement, and even an early education account, the fees associated with Acorns Spend specifically are bundled into these monthly subscription tiers. For example, the Acorns Personal tier might cost you a few dollars a month, while the Acorns Family tier, which includes the family investing features, will be a bit more. Now, you might be thinking, wait, a monthly fee just to have an account? And yes, that's correct. However, this fee isn't solely for Acorns Spend, it covers the entire suite of Acorns products you have access to. The first and most crucial step to avoiding extra fees here is to ensure you're on the right subscription tier for your needs. Are you truly utilizing all the features of the family plan if you're single and only using Acorns for personal investing and spending? Probably not. Regularly review your Acorns subscription and downgrade if you find you're paying for features you don't use. This is often the biggest fee people pay without even realizing it, overpaying for a service they're not fully leveraging. Moving beyond the subscription, let's talk about those pesky ATM fees. We've all been there, needing cash in a pinch, only to find that the ATM you're using isn't part of your bank's network. And suddenly you're hit with a surcharge from the ATM owner and potentially another fee from your own bank. Acorns Spend attempts to mitigate this by offering free ATM access at over 55,000 Allpoint ATMs nationwide. This is a significant perk. The key here, and where many people stumble, is not knowing where those Allpoint ATMs are. You might be tempted to just use the closest ATM, especially if you're in a hurry. But taking a moment to use the ATM locator within the Acorns app or on their website can save you a few bucks every time. A couple of dollars here and there might not seem like much, but if you're withdrawing cash frequently from out-of-network ATMs, those fees can quickly add up to a substantial amount over a year. Think of it as a small investment of your time for a direct return in your pocket. Make it a habit to check the Allpoint locator before you need cash, or better yet, plan your cash withdrawals when you know you're near a participating ATM. Next up, a big one, overdraft fees. This is where banks often make a significant portion of their revenue, and it's a trap many consumers fall into. Acorns Spend is designed with features to help you avoid overdrafts. Unlike traditional banks that might process transactions that push your account into a negative balance, leading to hefty fees, Acorns Spend generally aims to decline transactions if you don't have sufficient funds. While this can sometimes be inconvenient if you miscalculate your balance, it's ultimately a protective measure against those punishing overdraft fees. The best way to guarantee you avoid overdraft fees with Acorns Spend is to maintain a healthy balance in your account. Sounds obvious, right? But it's about proactive money management. Regularly check your balance through the Acorns app. Set up low balance alerts so you're notified before your funds get too low. Consider using the direct deposit feature with Acorns Spend, as this can help ensure a steady inflow of funds, making it less likely you'll run into an overdraft situation. Even better, if your employer offers it, setting up direct deposit to Acorns Spend can give you access to your paycheck up to 2 days early, further buffering your account against unexpected shortfalls. The more aware you are of your current balance, the less likely you are to accidentally attempt a transaction you can't cover. Another potential fee pitfall lies in linked accounts. While Acorns encourages you to link external bank accounts for funding your investments and even for the roundups feature, be mindful of any fees your external bank might charge for these transactions. For instance, some banks might charge a fee for external transfers, or they might have minimum balance requirements that, if not met, could trigger their own fees. This isn't an Acorns fee, but it's a cost you incur because you're using Acorns with that particular external account. The solution here is simple. Be aware of your external bank's fee schedule. If you find your current bank is nickel-and-diming you for transfers or has high minimums, consider switching your primary linked account to a different bank that offers more favorable terms, perhaps an online-only bank known for its low fees. Acorns integrates with thousands of financial institutions, so you have options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.